Hi! Avionic in-aircraft communication is monitored and recorded on a bit-by-bit level. In order to pass all the relevant messages for post-flight system analysis or debugging, there is a need to cross-reference all message words with the aircraft's ICD. In the next few minutes, I am going to use the engineering unit capability of the Sital Composer to display parsed data with no scripting or coding. Engineering units, or EUs, display recorded avionic data in a parsed, user-friendly and accessible manner for effective instrumentation troubleshooting and development. By defining an EU, I can select certain bits from a data word and specify the presentation units. For instance, if we consider the GPS unit data transmission, I can define an engineering unit to pass the lower 8 bits of each data word as height in feet and the higher 8 bits as latitude in meters. In the following example, we open the Sital Composer software. The monitor displays live messages running to and from the simulated RT6, which plays the role of a real remote terminal. On the Engineering Units tab, I select Load From and open the eutemplate.xml file. The Sital Composer supports multiple format files, including the Exalt Plus by Excalibur and even manually created XML files from scratch. A new tab is then created, presenting the loaded MuxBus RTs. I will now save it under a new name in order to add a new engineering unit. I first need to define the properties of the RT. On the left pane, by right-clicking on RT6, a pop-up menu appears. In the menu, I select Add or Edit Message Properties. A new command editor window opens, containing the major fields of the message to be defined. I can now add the properties as needed. Please note that RT name and message name properties are mandatory. Once I am done, I press the Apply a New EU button and move on to define the engineering unit. The Engineering Unit Editor window contains various properties which define the data to be parsed and then displayed in the engineering units table. Please note, the name field is mandatory. We advise configuring the selected word, bit, length of bits and display units in order to apply optimized granulation of data passing. Once done, I press the Apply and Close button. Now the engineering unit I defined is applied to the communication data and presented in the table. I can repeat the process and add or edit as many engineering units as needed. The command editor remains open in order to add additional EUs. I will close the command editor and we can see the parsed data showing in the table. Adding and editing engineering units is now a part of the Sital Composer software, available out of the box with every Sital Tester product. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.